Mario's Pamo have won the Royal Enfield Ice Hockey League, and joining me are the members of the winning team, including the captain Padma as well. Firstly, many congratulations. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस वक्त आप जीत चुके हैं इस लीग को?
सबसे पहले तो मैं रॉयल एनफील्ड टीम को थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ और उसके बाद मेरे पूरे टीम को मैं कंग्रेचुलेशन करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि पूरे टीम ने बहुत मेहनत किया है इस रॉयल एनफील्ड लीग के लिए। तो हमने ये सेकेंड एडिशन लीग चल रहा है, तो फर्स्ट एडिशन में भी हम जीते हैं, तो हमें ये बरकरार रखना था, तो सेकेंड भी हम जीत गए हैं, इसलिए बहुत खुश है। थैंक यू सो मच।
And we also have someone who is considered a name synonymous with ice hockey in Ladakh, which is, of course, Noor. Noor, what would you say about your team? It's a mix of experience and youngsters as well. How does it feel at this moment to have won the trophy?
I'm really excited and really happy that we won the championship. We won the league, and really grateful to Royal Enfield for organizing such a, everything has been organized in such a way that it feels that we are playing internationally, not in Ladakh. And other than that, the team, as you said, is composed of both very experienced players who are in the national team as well as very young players as well, and each and everybody has put their blood and sweat for this league, and we are really happy that we won and everything has come as we thought of. I'm really excited, and I would like to thank everyone who has made this possible, including Ice Hockey Association of Ladakh and also UT administration of Ladakh.
When we talk about future, what do you foresee in the future of ice hockey, and what do you see for yourself as well?
I have retired from the national team this year, but I continue to play in the local leagues and the local tournaments. What I envisage for the younger generation of ice hockey players is that we come at par with other countries which are really good at this sport, which excel in this sport, and I think having a league like this is a step towards achieving that goal.
And do you think it also promotes tourism in this?
Definitely, because winter tourism in the past was very limited to either chadar trek or having snow leopard tourism, wildlife tourism. But having such kind of tournaments now, also Khelo India is going to happen. So all the local, it is boosting the local economy, and we are getting homestays, hotels, restaurants, everything. Now people are also thinking, because what would happen in the past is in November, December, everything would shut down. Yes. But now everything has started opening. We have heated restaurants, which was never a thing before, and I'm really glad that ice hockey is playing a part in that.
We also have the youngsters from the team. What would you want to say about being a part of this team, learning from the best as well?
जब हम देखते हैं कि बड़ों को खेलते हुए तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत इंस्पायर होते थे हम। जब मैं छोटी सी थी तब मैंने स्केटिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था, तो उनको देख के बहुत इंस्पायर होते हैं। जब LWHF जो फाउंडेशन है वो हमें बहुत इम्प्रूव करने में मदद करते थे, इक्विपमेंट्स प्रोवाइड करते थे, और बहुत अच्छा लगा। आज भी हमने खेला है इनके साथ टीम अप होके, टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस। आई बीन वेरी ऑनर्ड टू फील वेरी ऑनर्ड।
आपके इंस्पिरेशन कौन है?
मेरी इंस्पिरेशन आची पामी एंड आची रिंचन है। जब से मैंने आइस हॉकी स्टार्ट किया है, मैंने उन्हीं को देख के सीखा है मैंने आइस हॉकी। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया। मैं LW लद्दाख वुमेन आइस हॉकी फाउंडेशन से बहुत ही थैंकफुल हूँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ तक लाया है, और अब आज भी उन्हीं की वजह से मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। तो थैंक यू लद्दाख वुमेन आइस हॉकी फाउंडेशन।
एंड ये ट्रॉफी जीतना क्या मायने रखता है?
ये ट्रॉफी जीतना मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है, क्योंकि आइस हॉकी मेरा सबसे फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स है, आइस हॉकी। तो हमारे सिस्टर्स जो यहीं आचे लोगों, बड़ी सिस्टर्स लोगों ने हमें यहाँ तक लाया है, तो उन्हीं की वजह से आज मैं यहीं पे हूँ। थैंक यू।
So that was the members of the winning women's team that have won the Ice Hockey League here in Ladakh, and they're of course very happy and excited, and they see a very bright future for the sport of ice hockey in this country. With VJ Mukesh Kumar in Leh, Karishma for Times Now.